Okay, welcome to PSI. So PSI, as you know, is a product that we have had out for now a couple years. If you think about what surgeons are doing before without PSI, they're having to make a compromise. And that compromise is accuracy or efficiency. Now with PSI, we are going to enable surgeons to provide better surgery by giving them the opportunity to do surgery with accuracy and with efficiency. This is the planner software that we use, that we enable surgeons to place the prosthesis in exactly the right spot. We go through and we enable them with a number of various cuts and angles to place this prosthesis in exactly the right spot. This 3D model is able to be manipulated in a three-dimensional format to ensure coverage and rotation, as an example for the tibia. So what we've done is we've added the drop rod adapter out of the standard Persona instrument set to ensure and to enable surgeons to be able to check their varus valgus measurements while using PSI. So once again, PSI is able to offer and enable surgeons to provide both accuracy as well as efficient procedures for their patients. Thank you.